Did you know a simple cup of rosemary tea can transform your health in ways you never imagined? From boosting memory to improving digestion, this powerful herbal infusion is packed with science-backed benefits. Stay with me as we uncover 6 surprising reasons why rosemary tea should be your new daily ritual. Rosemary tea is a powerful natural remedy with multiple health benefits. It enhances cognitive function by improving memory, focus, and mental clarity. Studies show that the active compounds in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, have neuroprotective effects, reducing oxidative stress in the brain and supporting neural regeneration. This makes rosemary tea particularly beneficial for preventing cognitive decline, including conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. The increased oxygen supply to the brain through improved circulation further enhances mental agility, making it a valuable daily addition for students, professionals, and older adults looking to maintain sharp thinking. Its antioxidant properties play a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative damage, which accelerates aging and contributes to chronic illnesses. Antioxidants in rosemary tea neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of cellular mutations and preventing diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disorders, and inflammatory conditions. The presence of polyphenols and flavonoids strengthens the immune system, helping the body resist infections, viruses, and environmental toxins. These protective effects extend to the skin, reducing signs of aging, promoting elasticity, and preventing wrinkles caused by free radical damage. Beyond its brain and immune-boosting properties, rosemary tea significantly enhances digestive health. It stimulates bile production, improving fat metabolism and ensuring better nutrient absorption. This is particularly useful for individuals struggling with slow digestion, bloating, or constipation. The carminative properties of rosemary help relieve gas buildup, preventing discomfort and excessive bloating. Its ability to soothe the gastrointestinal tract reduces inflammation, making it an effective remedy for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and acid reflux. The antimicrobial compounds in rosemary further support gut health by preventing harmful bacterial overgrowth, promoting a balanced gut microbiome. Circulatory health also benefits from regular consumption of rosemary tea. The herb acts as a natural vasodilator, improving blood flow and ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach essential organs efficiently. This leads to better heart health by reducing hypertension and supporting overall cardiovascular function. The compounds in rosemary help prevent arterial plaque buildup, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and stroke. Improved circulation also enhances muscle recovery, making rosemary tea an excellent choice for athletes or individuals with physically demanding lifestyles. Those experiencing cold extremities due to poor circulation can also benefit from its ability to promote warmth and proper blood flow. Stress and anxiety levels can be effectively managed with rosemary tea due to its calming effects on the nervous system. The compounds within rosemary interact with neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, helping to regulate mood and reduce cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. By lowering cortisol levels, rosemary tea helps prevent stress-related weight gain, improves sleep quality, and enhances overall emotional well-being. Research suggests that inhaling rosemary's aroma alone can have immediate relaxing effects, making it a holistic approach to managing mental and emotional stress. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic illnesses, including arthritis, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. The anti-inflammatory compounds in rosemary tea help mitigate inflammation at a cellular level, reducing pain and stiffness associated with inflammatory conditions. This makes it an excellent natural alternative for individuals looking to manage arthritis symptoms without relying on pharmaceutical medications. The ability to lower systemic inflammation also benefits metabolic health by improving insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, and supporting healthy weight management. Liver detoxification is another significant advantage of drinking rosemary tea. The liver plays a central role in filtering toxins, metabolizing fats, and regulating hormones. The hepatoprotective properties of rosemary enhance liver function by promoting detoxification pathways and protecting liver cells from damage. This results in better digestion, improved skin health, and increased energy levels due to more efficient toxin elimination. The liver-supporting properties of rosemary also aid in balancing hormones, particularly in women experiencing menstrual irregularities or symptoms related to hormonal imbalances. Respiratory health can also be improved with rosemary tea, thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps clear mucus buildup, making it effective in managing respiratory infections, allergies, and asthma symptoms. The soothing effects of rosemary on the throat and airways provide relief from coughs and congestion, promoting easier breathing and overall lung function. The antibacterial nature of rosemary further prevents respiratory tract infections, supporting long-term pulmonary health. Weight management benefits from rosemary tea due to its ability to enhance metabolism and reduce stress-related overeating. The active compounds in rosemary help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that lead to cravings and excessive calorie consumption. By supporting digestion, reducing bloating, and improving fat metabolism, rosemary tea becomes an excellent addition to a weight loss regimen. Its stress-reducing properties also prevent emotional eating, helping individuals make healthier food choices and maintain a balanced diet. Hormonal balance is another area where rosemary tea provides remarkable benefits. Its ability to support liver function directly influences estrogen metabolism, reducing symptoms of estrogen dominance such as bloating, mood swings, and weight gain. This makes it especially useful for women dealing with PMS or menopause-related symptoms. Additionally, rosemary helps regulate cortisol levels, preventing adrenal fatigue and supporting overall endocrine function. Rosemary tea's antibacterial and antifungal properties contribute to better oral health. Regular consumption helps prevent gum disease, cavities, and bad breath by eliminating harmful bacteria in the mouth. It also soothes oral inflammation, making it beneficial for individuals experiencing sore gums or oral infections. The antimicrobial effects of rosemary extend beyond the mouth, supporting overall immune function and preventing infections throughout the body. For individuals suffering from migraines or headaches, rosemary tea offers natural relief. Its ability to improve circulation and reduce inflammation alleviates tension headaches and migraines caused by poor blood flow. The calming effects on the nervous system further contribute to headache relief, providing a holistic approach to managing chronic headaches without relying on medications. Skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis can be improved with rosemary tea due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Drinking rosemary tea helps reduce internal inflammation that often manifests as skin issues, while also preventing bacterial infections that contribute to acne breakouts. Applying cooled rosemary tea topically can further soothe irritation, reduce redness, and promote faster healing of skin wounds. Hair health benefits from rosemary tea, both when consumed and applied topically. Rosemary is known to stimulate hair follicles, promoting hair growth and preventing premature hair loss. The increased circulation to the scalp ensures that hair follicles receive the necessary nutrients for strong and healthy hair. Its antimicrobial properties also prevent dandruff and scalp infections, making rosemary an excellent natural solution for maintaining healthy hair and scalp. Vision and eye health improve with rosemary tea due to its high antioxidant content. The compounds in rosemary protect the eyes from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. By enhancing circulation, rosemary ensures that the eyes receive adequate nutrients and oxygen, supporting long-term visual health. Kidney function is supported through rosemary tea's diuretic properties, which help flush out toxins and excess sodium from the body. This reduces water retention, lowers blood pressure, and supports overall kidney health by preventing kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Regular consumption of rosemary tea promotes a well-balanced fluid retention system, helping individuals maintain proper hydration and electrolyte balance. Joint health benefits significantly from rosemary tea due to its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the joints. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from arthritis or joint pain. The improvement in circulation also ensures that joints receive the necessary nutrients for repair and maintenance, reducing stiffness and discomfort associated with aging or intense physical activity. Blood sugar regulation is another crucial benefit of rosemary tea. making it a valuable natural remedy for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing insulin resistance. The active compounds in rosemary help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that lead to energy fluctuations and cravings. This contributes to improved metabolic function and overall energy levels throughout the day. The ability of rosemary tea to reduce muscle tension and spasms makes it beneficial for individuals experiencing cramps or muscle pain. The muscle-relaxing properties of rosemary provide relief from menstrual cramps, sports-related muscle soreness, and tension-related aches. This makes it an excellent post-workout drink to aid in muscle recovery and relaxation. Bone health is enhanced through rosemary tea's rich supply of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect bone density and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Improved circulation ensures that bones receive adequate calcium and other essential minerals, supporting long-term skeletal strength and resilience. The ability of rosemary tea to promote better sleep quality comes from its natural calming properties. By reducing stress hormones and promoting relaxation, rosemary tea helps individuals fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. This is particularly useful for those dealing with insomnia, anxiety-related sleep disturbances, or chronic fatigue. Eye strain, often caused by prolonged screen time and digital device use, can be alleviated with rosemary tea. The antioxidants in rosemary protect the eyes from blue light damage, reducing eye fatigue and dryness associated with excessive screen exposure. The improved circulation further helps relieve tension headaches and visual discomfort related to prolonged focus on screens. Enhancing overall vitality and energy levels, rosemary tea acts as a natural adaptogen that supports physical endurance and mental stamina. Regular consumption promotes sustained energy throughout the day, without the crashes associated with caffeine or sugar. The combined benefits of improved circulation, better digestion, and stress reduction make rosemary tea an excellent choice for overall well-being and long-term health.